What I've seen in the boot camp, I haven't seen anywhere else. I have looked at several other studying or ARE prep programs, and boot camp is different. We all have to make lots of sacrifices and make effort and work hard in order to achieve something very valuable. I highly recommend this boot camp because all the hard work of organizing it and preparing all the wonderful resources for studying for these exams is done. The syllabus is ready, the schedule is ready. We connect with a coach, a real coach, every single week. The community has been extremely powerful because everybody comes from different backgrounds and everybody has kind of the same goal, and that is to succeed as professional architects and also how to be better human beings.